Forming long-term relationships with university departments is becoming a feature of many Unipart businesses. And this was in evidence recently when Huddersfield University, along with Unipart Rail, formally opened its new Centre for Innovation in Rail facility. Well, this partnership of theoretical sciences with small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, opens the doors for important improvements in an increasingly digital rail industry.
Our launch today has been very successful. We've had nearly 100 railway industry clients and partners attend the day. We've launched the centre, but now we can widen that. We've got our objectives, we've got our capability statements, and the press exposure will allow the Centre of Innovation to really kick off and move forward from where we want it to get to, which is ultimately to become one of the UK's leading rail innovation centres. So really it's about just really increasing the volume of innovation and new products in the rail market.
At Unipart Rail, we revisited our business strategy probably some 3-4 years ago. And what that meant was we were looking at a number of things to drive growth, significant growth for the business. Two of those things were collaboration and was around product innovation. And in fact, what we're seeing today at the Centre of Innovation Rail is really these things coming together.
Research at one time of day was very much literally that, just research, but increasingly research is becoming more connected to industrial output. And what we really wanted to do was to capture all the good things that are coming out of research and bring them through Unipart into its business and actually put them into industry.
Huddersfield University is a very successful university, very focused on industrial sectors, and by actually collaborating with companies such as Unipart Rail, that enables them to access funding that perhaps other universities can't do.
Well, Unipart Rail brings obviously its industrial strength, its brand, its core infrastructure that it has in place, its huge supply chain network, its partnerships with many of the key rail players. And all of that is something that we can offer to either a technology partner or an innovation or even indeed a research output. What the centre here brings is world-class facilities to test and develop those products, accelerate that testing and bring it through into the market. And we can work together to do that faster. It allows us to develop new products quicker, to take those products to our customers quicker, and it also allows Unipart to export those products to other markets in the world.
In terms of the longer term, bigger picture aspirations of the centre, then I think we'd like to see a number of streams developing, primarily the new product lines and the new areas of research which come out from the collaborations between us, but also the actual mechanism of innovation. We have some projects looking at digitising innovation and embedding innovation into the organisations of larger organisations, but SMEs too.
The digital railway is already a reality. It's happening. And of course the pace, just like the rest of technology, the rest of industry, that pace is going to quicken at light speed, essentially. So we're already involved in the digital railway, but actually, as we're aware, the future is going to change things dramatically. And therefore, being involved with academia, being involved with businesses that are driving the digital revolution is very important to us.